So far, we have been through 5 different fixes to solve exhausted memory issue in WordPress. Alright, in this video, we will be checking one more solution. And that particular fix is not just to increase memory or fix our .htaccess file. It is about to actually remove the root cause of the issue. Alright, how to do that? Let's jump into the fix. I am opening my directory of the installation for my WordPress website on my local host. I am going into my wp-config.php file. Alright, now first of all, I have to set wp debug to true to make sure and to be certain that our issue is coming from the memory, because in WordPress above from 5.2 versions there can be minimum there can be maximum issues, and WordPress shows us white screen of that. All right, to pinpoint the issue we have to enable debug logs. Okay, so now yes, we can see our issue is coming from the memory, but main thing here is that our issue is coming exactly from this particular line on line 149. In your case, it can be anything. It can be some of your plugins, some of your themes, or any of your chunk of code. All right, so we in development or in programming or in software, we say it a memory leaking issue. All right, once memory leaking is happening, we have to make sure we are fixing the root cause. We are not blindly increasing the space. All right, so now we have to figure out what is causing the issue. So we have to go to that particular file which is showing that error, and we have to check what is happening there. All right, in my case I have intentionally written that bad code so it can like eat out the memory. All right, so what is the solution or what is the fix? Because in for demo purposes it is only to show you what it can be, but in real world scenarios it can be anything. All right, so we have to fix that issue, because once issue is fixed we will be seeing everything fine. All right, so in my case, as this code was only to show you the error, so I have simply commented it, and now I have to check if it works for me. I am just refreshing it again to see if that works or not. All right, so yes, it works, and our site is showing up again. So what we have learned? We have learned that if whenever we are facing memory exhausted issue, we cannot blindly always increase our memory. We can only increase to a certain extent, but then we have to pinpoint the actual issue which is leaking the memory, right? Like in our case, our theme was having some sort of a bad code or chunk of code which was causing the issue. All right, once we have found the issue, we have to fix that particular code to make it or replace it with the working nice code which doesn't leak any memory. All right, so we have fixed around 6 methods so far in this series, and in the next video we will be checking to increase or fix the memory exhausted error through the wp-cli method. All right, until then, have a nice time. See you in the next video.